Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Egg has been on the menu of almost every household. The recent bird flu outbreak in US has shot the price sky high and make the egg a scarce commodity. But no matter what happened, the egg just simply cannot be disappeared from our dinner table. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called tender egg wraps or fried rice, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, chop some carrot, scallion, red pepper, and sausage. Then stir fry these ingredients. Add the rice at this time and keep stir fry. Add a teaspoon salt and chicken bouillon and keep stir fry. Add a tablespoon soy sauce and continue stir fry. Put the fried rice into a plate and form a football shape. Next, prepare 3 eggs. Add a tablespoon starch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red pepper, and mix them well. Pour the egg into a 7-inch pan under medium heat. Keep stirring the egg. Add some chopped scallion at this time. When the egg turns semi-solid, fold it to form a football shape. Flip the egg over and cook for a few seconds. Lay the egg over the rice and cut it open and let the egg wrap over the rice. This is a tender egg wrap I'm talking about. If you think this recipe is good enough, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.